Okay, guys. So we start now. Okay, so today we will do the actual SPM format for paper 1. Okay, format sebenar untuk kertas 1. Okay, guys. Before I start, can you all promise me this one thing or not? Okay, one thing you guys must promise me today so that the class will be effective lah for you guys. Okay, make sure you guys focus throughout the discussion. Okay, kamu kena fokus setiap soalan yang saya bincang. Tak boleh hilang fokus tiba-tiba. Okay, make sure you guys focus 100%. Okay, so that you can get maximum benefit. Alright, promise guys, janji ya. So that you guys boleh score betul-betul in paper 1 at maths. Okay, today focus paper 1 saja. Kertas 1, 2 hours, 2 jam. You guys focus very well. Confirm got benefit one guys. Trust me. Okay, kamu akan dapat faedah. Alright, so we start guys. Question 1. Okay, so question 1. You automatically see this kind of symbol guys. Ada simbol macam ni. So may I know what chapter is this guys? Can you all tell me? Soalan ni about apa? Anyone? What chapter? Whenever you see a question, yes. Okay, this one is Form 4 chapter 8 guys at maths. Yeah, this is vector. Okay, vector is a topic not everyone like. Am I right? Banyak tak suka bab ni. Okay, so actually the question is not hard one. Tak susah. But you guys just need to be careful. The common mistake in this chapter, right guys, a lot of people make mistake is because of direction. Biasanya orang lupa letak negatif kalau berlawanan arah. Okay, if suddenly go opposite direction, you forget put negative symbol, that's why your answer is wrong for vector. Okay? Okay, so we see the question first. Okay, so first thing guys, they say JKL are collinear. Okay, tiga titik ni adalah segaris. So guys, what does collinear mean? You must understand that first. Apa maksudnya segaris? Siapa boleh terangkan? Anyone? What is the meaning of collinear? In your mind lah, what do you think is the meaning of collinear? Yes, very good. It's one line. Okay, satu garis. Okay, and all the points actually lie on this line. Okay, semua titik dia akan duduk atas satu garis yang ni. So example lah guys, I draw for you guys. Okay, J, K, L. This is the meaning of collinear guys, segaris. So guys, if I ask you gradient, kecerunan, sama atau tidak? Is the gradient same or not? This line. Yeah. Okay, gradient is same, right? So I can say MJK is equal to MJL. Am I right? Gradient is the same, kecerunan sama. Because straight line, garis lurus. Okay. If it's same gradient guys, kalau kecerunan sama, apa satu lagi info yang kamu tahu guys? Biasanya, if same gradient mean what? Can anyone tell me? Gradient actually can relate to another thing. Ada satu hubungan. Anyone know? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is parallel guys. Means both of the lines are parallel. Dua-dua garis ni, JK, KL adalah selari, parallel. Okay, so that's why the gradient is the same. Kecerunan sama. So, whenever you guys talk about collinear, right? Segaris, there is one formula guys. Satu rumus. Okay, the formula is actually JK equal to lambda KL. Okay, have you guys seen this formula before? Pernah nampak rumus macam ni? Okay, this one is the formula for collinear guys. Segaris. Okay, ataupun selari lah, parallel. Same meaning one. Okay, alright. So, you can see the question guys. Soalan dah bagi info kat kamu. Okay, JK is 2R plus 2S. Bukan. Guys, this lambda over here is a constant. Okay, constant. Pemala. Not the lambda in physics. This one is the lambda in maths guys. Okay, matematik tambahan punya lambda. Okay, kalau saya tukar lambda kepada huruf lain boleh tak? Boleh. Can guys. If you don't want to use lambda, let's say you put K. Can. Tak ada masalah. You can put K. But usually, we only use K or lambda. Ataupun this symbol. Got 3 symbol guys. Usually, for constants. Pemala lah dalam maths. These 3 symbol only. Okay? Take note Okay, 3 symbol yang ni. Alright. So now, JKKL. Semua info sudah ada. So, the question is, they ask you to find the value of U guys. kamu kena cari nilai U. Okay, so how to find the U value guys? Anyone? Anyone got idea? Macam mana boleh cari nilai U? So you guys see the U is over here, right? So how should I find it? Macam mana? 4 marks guys, 4 markah. So basically you guys must use this formula lah guys. Okay, kamu kena guna rumus ni. Okay, JK equal to K or lambda KL. Alright, I ask you guys a question. Let's say I use U as a constant. Saya letak U sebagai pemalah. Can or not guys? May I know? Is it correct now? This formula? Boleh tak? Sama-sama? Can I use U or not as my constant? Okay, why no guys? For those who say no, may I know why? And for those who say yes, also why? You must give reason. Yes, guys, do you see your question over here? Your information already have U guys. Soalan dah bagi U. So kalau kamu bagi satu lagi U kat sini sebagai pemalah, kamu confuse. U yang mana? It's two different U guys. Dua U ni adalah berbeza. Faham tak? So jangan guna simbol yang sama. Okay, if question got K, jangan guna K, guna lambda. If question bagi lambda, jangan guna lambda, guna K. Faham? You guys must use different symbol one. Always different symbol from the question. Okay? Take note. Okay, so I will use lambda over here lah guys to be easy. Okay, just use lambda. Okay, so you guys can see the working over here. JK equal to lambda KL. Okay, so you just substitute lah. This one is a U. Okay, U minus 1S. Okay, so now guys, when you reach this step, right, you can actually expand. Okay, kembangkan. So you will get 3 lambda R plus lambda U minus 1S. Okay guys, how do I find the value of U guys? Can you all tell me? Macam mana saya boleh cari nilai U? Anyone? Based on the equation here. Kamu lihat persamaan? Yes. Okay, the concept is we must do compare guys. Bandingkan. Okay, so what to compare? You compare R with R. Bandingkan perkali dia. Okay, you compare the coefficient of R. So 2 is equal to 3 lambda. Am I right guys? So lambda is equal to 2 over 3. Correct? So this is already one answer. Satu jawapan. But question asks U. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai U. So you compare the coefficient of S lah guys. Okay, bandingkan perkali S. So 2 is equal to lambda U minus 1. So lambda, gantikan nilai dia, substitute. So you guys will get U minus 1 equal to, U minus 1 equal to 3. So your U value is actually 4. 4. Understand guys? All of you? How to solve this question? Jelas? Cara dia? All good? Can get it? So this is how you solve question A. Simple or not guys? Senang tak? So this is the working over here. Okay, so 4 marks. You do like this 4 marks guys. 4 markah. Soalan A. Okay? So make sure you guys also find the lambda. Kamu kena cari nilai ni juga. Okay, and then final answer only you put U equal to 4. Okay? Alright. So next one guys. Anytime you guys got question, just ask in the chat box. Okay? Kalau ada soalan, terus tanya saja. Okay, next one. Ratio of JK to KL. Okay, so now guys, ratio. Okay, very simple. Ratio. What is the symbol guys for ratio? Can you all tell me? Apa simbol dia untuk nisbah? Bukan simbol tu. Saya maksudkan tambah, tolak, darab atau bagi. Kalau nisbah. Ratio is times, plus, divide, or minus. Yeah. Okay, remember guys, ratio is always divide. Okay, means that the question is asking JK divide KL equal to what? Ini soalan dia. Okay, so you need to find the values lah. Kamu kena cari nilai. So, very simple. Okay, you got JK is equal to 2R plus 2S and KL is equal to, okay, tadi dah cari nilai U kan? You already get the U answer. So U is equal to 4. Am I right? So you boleh gantikan. Okay, substitute U equal to 4. inside. So you get 3s. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So now, very simple. JK bahagi KL. So you take 2R plus 2S over 3R plus 3S. So guys, do I stop over here? My answer. Adakah saya henti kat sini? Yes or no? Do I stop over here? What do you guys think? Okay, cannot guys. Remember, the value of ratio, right, must be a constant. Okay, nisbah tu kena pemalah. Tak boleh ada R, tak boleh ada S. Okay? So what can you guys do over here? Boleh buat apa kat sini guys to get a constant? Anyone? What is the step? Yes. Okay, you can actually factorize guys. Okay, kamu boleh faktorkan. Yeah, division also correct. Okay, so you guys can actually factorize 2 on top and you guys can also factorize 3 at the bottom. Kamu faktorkan macam ni. So guys, can you see R plus S boleh potong atas bawah, up down you can cut. So your answer is 2 over 3. Understand guys how I get the answer? Jelas? So means that JK nisbah KL sama dengan 2 nisbah 3. Okay, 2 ratio 3. That's the concept. Okay, so you can see the answer over here. Okay, if number is different, how to factor? Number is different. You mean this one? You mean I change the number over here? Let's say I put 6 and then let's say I put 9. Is this your question? Heram Bijal? Something like this. Okay, it depends. Still can. If this is your question, right guys, you still use the same step. Factorize. Kamu faktorkan saja. So 2R plus 3S. And then 3R plus 3S. So I can cut again guys. Can you see that? Saya boleh potong kan? Atas bawah. I cut up and down. So the answer is still 2 over 3. 2 per 3. The concept over here is you must factorize. Okay? So maksudnya JK, yes, correct Hani. Betul. Okay, JK ambil 2 bahagian, KL ambil 3 bahagian. Okay, JK 2 part, KL 3 part. Okay guys, are you clear with question 1? We already finished question 1. Dah habis soalan 1. All clear on vectors? So total is 5 marks. I think quite easy lah guys. Okay, senang kan? Okay, next one. Okay, so you guys see this question. Okay, what chapter guys? May I know? Soalan ni dari bab apa? Form 4 chapter what? You guys see also you know already. Yeah, this is Form 4 chapter 4 guys. Okay, index, surd and logarithm. Okay, so this question they actually test you on surd and they test you on index. Only 2 things lah guys. 2 benda saja. Okay, log they never test. Okay, so guys, the first question they ask you to simplify the surd. Permudahkan. Okay, so what should you do here guys? May I know? Apa konsep dia? Yes. Okay, whenever you guys see surd at the bottom, cannot. Admaths tak suka surd kat penyebut pecahan. Okay, cannot have surd at denominator. So, conjugate surd lah. Okay, so what is the conjugate surd? Can you guys tell me? Apa nilai dia? Surd conjugate. Darab apa? Very simple only guys. Times how much? Anyone? Conjugate surd. What is the value? Yes. Okay, basically your minus, you just change to plus lah guys. Okay, tolak, tukar jadi tambah. Okay, this is conjugate surd. Okay, understand? So now you guys just need to times up and down. Okay, darab atas dan bawah. Okay, so you guys will actually get okay, wait. Okay, you will get 8H plus 8 surd HK plus 5 surd HK plus 5K. Okay, the top positive remains while the bottom changes. Both also become positive. Ame, can you see here? Both of the symbol become positive. From negative, I change to become positive. Clear? This is conjugate surd guys. Conjugate surd, the symbol must be opposite. Okay, simbol dia kena berlawanan. So kalau penyebut pecahan tu tolak, kamu darab dengan tambah. This is the concept, guys. You must think like this. All right. Okay, this is conjugate cert. Is totally opposite one. Berlawanan. Okay, that's the most important thing. All right. Okay. So now, okay, you guys understand how I get this, right? All of you. Anyone got problem over here? How I expand this one? Yang ni saya kembangkan kat atas. Do you guys understand? So the major rule you guys must understand is cert H times cert H is equal to H, and cert H times cert K is actually equal to cert HK. Okay, kamu kena faham dua hukum cert. Okay, these are two cert law you must understand over here. Okay, okay, so then for the bottom yang bawah tu still the same concept. Okay, if you guys notice, right, this one and this one. Okay, do you see the format, guys? A minus B, A plus B. Guys, if you still remember Form 4 Chapter 2, quadratic, Form 4 Bab 2, what is the answer for this, guys? May I know? Apa jawapan dia? A minus B times A plus B, what you get? No. Expand, guys. Kembangkan macam biasa. Yes, correct, Afzal. Okay, the answer is A square minus B square, guys. Remember, this expansion, kamu kena ingat. Penting untuk quadratic. Alright, so the same concept here. Can you see A minus B and A plus B? But this one in terms of certs lah, guys. Tapi konsep dia sama. So, your answer is actually A square minus B square. So senang saja. That's all. That's how you get the bottom. How can I forgot to expand that? That's why, guys, you must recap. That's why I say revision for Form 4 is very important. Kadang-kadang benda simple pun boleh lupa because kamu tak sentuh masa lama. No. This one is for this one, Razik. If you got like this, then yes, your answer is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, Razik? Cuba bezakan dua-dua yang ni, guys. One is minus, one is plus. Satu tolak, satu tambah. Okay? Take note. Okay, so guys, this one, cert H square. What is the answer, guys, for the pink color one? Apa jawapan dia? Listen to today's class well. Okay, kamu dengar kelas hari ni bagus-bagus. Pasti boleh. Okay? Alright, yes, the answer is H. And then this one, guys, cert K square. What is the answer? You apply the cert rule. Hukum cert, yeah, you have K. So I can just write it as H minus K. Am I right, guys? Just write as H minus K. That's all. Balki is lucky, got class, correct. Okay, so you will get 8H plus 5K plus 13 cert Hong Kong over H minus K. Okay, get it, guys? So this is your answer, final answer. Jawapan akhir. Clear? How to solve it? That's all. So what is the difference, guys? Can you see the difference over here? Your question has cert at the bottom. Cuba nampak. Dia ada cert kat bawah. But your answer don't have cert at the bottom. So this is how you simplify, guys. Understand? Clear? Any problem? This question? Any problem? I don't know. Maybe typo code. Typo. Okay? Clear, guys? Part A. Okay, so you guys see the working over here. This is the working step for question A. Okay, so your answer will get like this. Okay? Yeah, I know sometimes people freak out with admaths, guys. Admaths make people come like that one. Kesan admaths, yeah. So that's why normal only, guys. Both freaking out in binary. Yeah, binary number, correct. But no number one, you never type number one. Tak perlu bahagi ke yang H minus K. Yang ni ke? Kamu maksudkan kat bawah H minus K. Tak perlu. This is final answer, guys. Jawapan akhir. Dah permudahkan. Okay, you guys already simplify already. Question is simplify. Permudahkan. So, inilah bentuk termudah lah, guys. This is the simplest form. Okay, stop over here. If you guys see carefully, this answer, right, guys, can you modify some or not? I ask you all. Boleh tak kamu ubah lagi jawapan ni? Tak boleh kan? No other method already. You cannot factorize, tak boleh faktorkan. You cannot expand, tak boleh kembangkan. So you cannot do anything. So this is the last answer. Okay? Alright. So next one, guys. Part B. Okay, so for part B, we are talking about index. Okay. Guys, this question don't play. It's difficult one. Soalan ni susah. Guys, who don't like showing question in AdMaths? Siapa tak suka soalan tunjukkan? Mathematic tambahan. Guys, this kind of question, right, guys? Soalan macam ni is actually to differentiate these two type of student. Okay? Do you all know that? Soalan macam ni dia akan bezakan calon yang A dengan A+. Why? Because the A student cannot do this kind of question. The A+ student can do this type of question. That's the difference, guys. Between calon A dengan calon A+. Kalau calon A, dia akan start soalan macam ni. Calon A+ dia boleh buat. So depends lah. You guys want to be under what category? You guys are what category? Answer me. Kamu semua bawa kategori apa? A or A+? No, I'm saying it's hard for an average student, guys. Untuk soalan yang sederhana, soalan ni susah. But for a very smart student, soalan yang pandai, not that hard one. Senang. Depends lah, guys. I'm talking for an average student. Okay? Why all G, guys? Guys, what is this? Must brainwash you guys already lah. Must brainwash you guys to think AdMaths is very easy. Guys, AdMaths is easy lah. Trust me. You follow my class 1, AdMaths is easy one. I always tell this in my class to everyone. AdMaths is easy. Okay, mathematic tambahan ni senang saja. That is my tagline. So that can brainwash you guys to understand AdMaths. Okay? Alright. Yeah. Don't trust anyone who says it's hard, guys. Okay, jangan percaya orang yang kata susah. Okay, it's false one. Okay, so we see this question, guys. Okay, so how do we start? Macam mana nak mula? Yeah, of course. Treat AdMath well and AdMath will treat you well. Yes, that is one of my saying also. Correct. Okay, so this question, guys, you need to show this. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni. So how? Okay, you guys actually need to think lah how to simplify this. Macam mana nak pemudahkan. Okay. Nope. No need to find the value of A. Okay. So what you can do is, guys, you can actually use the index law, guys. Cuba guna hukum index. So guys, based on index law, if the power is minus, kuasa tolak, I can change it to bahagi, right? It become divide. Am I right? So this is how I change it over here. And if it's 3A, right? I can write like this. 5 power 3A. Macam ni. Yeah, correct. Sorry. Thank you, Joanne. Yeah. Good you identify my mistake. Yeah. So 5 power 1. Okay? And then times. If power plus, guys, what happened? Kalau kuasa tambah, apa jadi pada index dia? Anyone? Index apa? Yes. Okay, you must darab. Correct. Okay, so you can write like this. Tulis macam ni. Okay? And then this one, kamu tinggalkan lah. Okay, bahagi 2A. I can write as 2 power 2A. Saya boleh tulis dia macam ni. Understand? So this is the step I'm thinking of lah. Saya fikir macam ni. Okay, so now I just simplify lah, guys. Pemudahkan. 125 power A over 5 times 4 times 2 power A equal to 25 power A over 4 power A. Okay, guys. Cuba nampak yang ni. 5 power 2 can guys, you must understand one thing. We want to make the number become bigger. Kita nak semua nombor ni jadi lebih besar. Okay, because you see, guys, your value over here is 40 power A. Can you see that? Kamu kena buktikan yang tu. So now we are expanding everything. Kita kembangkan. We don't want to simplify now. Okay? Understand? Kembangkan. So, if you guys continue, okay, you guys can actually times. So guys, this is another rule. 125 power A times 2 power A. I can write as 125 times 2 power A. Do you guys understand this rule over here? Semua faham tak? Petua yang ni. This is another index rule. If the power is the same, you can combine two numbers. Times only ya. Kalau darab dua-dua kuasa yang sama, kamu boleh combine. Okay? So you get like this. Alright? Macam mana dapat kuasa A tu? Yang ni. Yang saya bulatkan. Dua yang ni. Okay? Dua kuasa A. Dari sini. Saya pisahkan. Okay, I separate guys. 2 power A plus 2 saya pisahkan. 2 kuasa A darab 2 kuasa 2. Hukum index guys. Index law. Okay. Why can't I just times the base number straight away when the power is the same? Okay. If you times the base number, right, you will get back the question. Am I right? Ame. Now I'm trying to split them up. I don't want to combine them. You understand? That's why I actually split them up like this. Can you see that? I don't want to use the index law to combine. I want to use it to break them up into divide and times. Understand guys? Because you must know that you want to prove this. Kamu nak buktikan yang ni. So you need to find a way to get this. Okay? Alright. So now guys, this one. Okay, so this part over here, I can write it as 25 over 4 power A. Agree? Saya boleh tulis macam ni. Am I right? Okay. And then you guys see 4 over 5 here, right? Okay. Do you notice something, guys? Can you see 5 over 4 here? If 4 over 5, left-hand side, I bring to right-hand side. What I get, guys? Dari belah kiri ke belah kanan, I get 5 over 4, right? 4 over 5, pindah ke sana 5 over 4. So, we are nearly there. Hampir dapat dah. Okay, continue. 250 power A. Okay, this one, I can divide. Bahagi. Okay, I bring it here, become divide. 25 over 4 power A equal to 5 over 4. Okay, guys. Okay, time for you to press calculator. Okay, tekan nilai dia. So, if you guys actually press this, you will get 40 power A equal to 5 over 4. Magic. Sudah dapat jawapan. Senang tak, guys? Simple or not? 3 marks. 3 markah. Don't want to write lah. Later everyone confused. Guys, susah tak soalan buktikan? Difficult lah. So easy lah guys. Senang saja. Just like that. Settle. Simple. This is AddMaths lah guys. I told you guys AddMaths is easy one. Senang saja. If you still say hard, right guys? Kalau kamu rasa macam masih susah, there is one thing. Your index punya basic tak kukuh lagi. Faham tak? Kalau kamu rasa susah, Form 4 Chapter 4 tak kukuh lagi. Okay, you guys need to strengthen your basic Form 4 Chapter 4 first. Alright? Because all the things I do over here are the rules. Index law. Okay, hukum index. Yes, correct. You must break it up first. Correct. Yes, correct. Yeah, it's not that hard actually. If you guys can follow my step, right? Not that hard one. Senang saja. Because you guys not enough exposure. Hani, kamu kena cuba buat lebih banyak soalan dengan sendiri. Baru kamu faham. If you guys just listen to me teaching and you guys don't do any practice, still no point one. You guys need to try more of this type of question. Okay? Then only you will become better. Alright? Okay, so you guys can see the working over here. Okay, you see this guy ya. Cuba nampak jalan kira yang ni ya. Okay, you see this working. You see my working. Not same right guys. Plus sama kan? Can you guys notice? My working, this working. Completely different. Berbeza. But jawapan masih sama kan? Answer still the same, right? So, both of these workings will still get full marks. Dua-dua pun markah penuh. Faham tak? So, doesn't mean you guys must follow my concept only. You can use any concept as long as you get the answer. Okay? Focus well for those got midterm tomorrow. Okay, focus. How 125 over 5 times 4 times 2 became... wait, let me see. 125. Joyce, this one is power A, you know. 125 power A. So, I cannot times with 4 over 5. 4 over 5 is just number. Can you see that? 4 over 5, I bring it to the right hand side. Become 5 over 4 over here. Can you see that? The ones with A, right guys, apa-apa nombor dengan kuasa A saya kumpulkan. I just group all the numbers with power A. These are all the numbers with power A. Can you see that, Joyce? So I just times them. You see the same power, right? Over here. Power A, power A. So I combine them. Get it or not? So that's why 125 times 2. Understand? Dapat? Simple, right? Yes. I will share the answer. Okay? No worries. Okay, guys. Continue. Next question. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, now guys. Next question. Okay, this chapter, guys. Can you tell me what chapter is this? All of you. Soalan ni apa? You guys automatically see and tell. No. Bukan? Yes. This is linear law, guys. Okay, hukum linear. Form 4, chapter 6. Alright? Okay, so the question is, they want you to express y in term of x. Okay, ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Okay, so very simple, guys. Senang. Okay, so you guys need to find what? You have a straight line. So garis lurus kena cari apa? First information. Yes. So your equation is y equal to mx plus c. Am I right? So you need to find the m, you need to find the c. Kamu kena cari dua-dua nilai ni. So, what is the C value, guys? Can you all tell me? Based on the graph, apa nilai C dia? Very simple, right? Negative 3, right? So, gantikanlah negative 3. And then, Y, guys? What is this Y value? Apa nilai dia? Is the Y axis, paksi Y. So, I can substitute with this one. Set X over Y. Am I right? Bukan, bukan 12, guys. Take note. Now we are forming the equation of straight line. Persamaan garis lurus. So, usually our equation like this, right guys? Biasanya. Y equal mx plus c. But do you notice why I use capital Y and X? Do you all know what's the reason? Kenapa saya letak huruf besar? Y dan X. Dua-dua ni berbeza, guys. These two are different. Cantik. Okay. So I ask you another question lah. If cantik, right? Why not I write my Y like this or something? Kalau nak cantik, I can write cursive. What? However I like also can one. Okay. These are coordinates. Okay. The reason is, guys, because your y-axis is not y, and your y-axis and your x-axis is not x. Do you notice, guys? Paksi y kamu sekarang bukan y dan bukan x. Dia adalah simbol yang baru. So that's why saya guna huruf besar. I must use capital because it's two different symbol now. Understand? Can you see that? It's two different symbol now. That's why I use Y and X capital letter. Alright? Take note, guys. Because usually in graph is Y versus X. Am I right? Selalu kamu lukis graph Y melawan X. Betul? Tapi sekarang Y kamu adalah set X bagi Y. X kamu adalah 1 per set X. So berbeza, is different. So that's why saya guna huruf besar. Okay, untuk banding, untuk bezakan dia. Okay, so that I can differentiate between the normal equation and linear law punya equation. Faham? Okay, so now I substitute Y with set X over Y, and I substitute X with 1 over set X. This is the concept, guys. All right? Yes, correct. Okay, so the M, guys, can you find the gradient over here? Boleh cari kecerunan tak? Yeah, you can find out because you have 2 points. Okay, so yeah, you just take 12 minus negative 3 over 5 minus 0. Kecerunan biasalah formula dia. Okay, so M is 3. Okay, so you substitute M is 3 inside here. And then question say, express Y in term of X. Ungkapkan. So, very simple tadi lah, guys. You can see over here the working step. Okay, just need to express. Ungkapkan. So, you will get like this. Okay, so you just kembangkan, expand, and then algebra. Okay, then you guys can get the correct answer. Okay, so this is the final answer, guys. Jawapan akhir. Alright, so you can see the step over here. Is it normal I take random point from the same line and then sometimes gradient? Impossible. Impossible, guys. Okay, if I have a straight line, right? let's say I got so many points over here. Ada banyak titik guys. A, B, C, D, E, F. All the lines should have the same gradient. Semua kecerunan sama. AB should be the same as BC. AC should be the same as AD. Understand lah? Everything will be the same guys. Semua akan sama kecerunan dia. Faham tak? Okay, because it is a straight line. Understand? Garis lurus kena kecerunan sama. So all the gradient are the same one. Okay? Alright. So next one lah guys. Okay, so next question. So question 3, all okay? Semua jelas? Can understand all the working step? This one? No problem Okay? Alright. Okay, next question. Question 4. Okay, so if you guys see question 4, what is this talking about guys? Bab yang apa? Yang ni. Form 4 chapter what? Anyone? No. You see the first question guys. Kamu nampak soalan kat bawah tu. Inverse function. Fungsi songsang. So, yeah. This is form 4 chapter 1 guys. Okay? Yes. Alright. So, based on the question guys, how to verify whether it has inverse function? Macam mana kamu tentukan guys? What is the line test you all use? Horizontal or vertical? May I know? Menegak atau mencancang atau mengufuk untuk fungsi songsang? Yes. Okay, the answer is horizontal lah guys. Very good. Okay, so you just draw a horizontal line lah guys. Make sure use ruler. Okay, kena guna pembaris. So, how many point it intersect guys? Berapa titik dia silang? Satu kan? Only one. So, does it have inverse function? Ada tak? Fungsi songsang. Yes or no? If 1 point? Yeah, if 1 point, the answer is yes lah guys. Okay, ada fungsi songsang. Okay, what is the reason guys? Sebab, what is the reason you will give? Why 1 point will have inverse function? Kenapa satu titik ada fungsi songsang? Yes, the keyword is it is a one-to-one function guys. Yes, you write that in exam, you get 0 mark guys. Kalau kamu cakap sebab Bhuvan cakap, habis. Okay, you lose 1 mark because of me. Okay, so the answer is one-to-one function guys. Satu kepada satu. Hubungan satu kepada satu. Yeah. What's the purpose for vertical? Vertical is to determine whether function or not. Untuk tentukan sama ada fungsi saja. Cuba bezakan. Vertical untuk fungsi saja. Horizontal untuk fungsi songsang. Okay, here got inverse. Got extra word over here. Horizontal for inverse function. Vertical for function only. Okay. So let me see. Any other question? Okay, none. Alright. Okay, so next one. Question B. Okay, so question B. Okay. Very complex, right guys? You see this equation, Pening, am I right? You have to solve this equation. Very simple. Go step by step. No need to panic, guys. Step by step. You see left hand side first. Cuba nampak yang ni. Okay, very important concept guys. Over here. Sangat penting. Listen carefully. Whenever you see F times F inverse, what is the answer guys for the left hand side? Can anyone tell me? Apa jawapan dia? Automatic. You can get the answer. Tak perlu kira pun. Wrong. No. You must follow the question guys. Kena ikut soalan. No. Wrong. Type for me the answer. Yes. Okay, you can actually cancel off guys. Correct. Okay, kamu boleh potong. F and F inverse you guys can cancel. So, the answer is actually 4 minus 3h squared. Understand guys? So when you have a normal function combined with inverse function, they can cancel off. Okay, fungsi biasa dengan fungsi songsang dia darab boleh potong. Faham? Why? Okay, why? Guys, very simple guys. Okay, I use one concept to tell you guys. No, these guys, this is the object. Am I right? Do you all agree with me? Dalam kurungan tu object kan? So, if you take function times with inverse function, they actually cancel off. Common sense, right, guys? Concept is like 8 times 1 over 8. Guys, 8 times 1 over 8, what do you get? What is the answer? 8 kali 1 per 8. 1 kan? Why 1? Because 8 and 8 cancel, right? Yeah. F times F inverse. Guys, you learn index, right? Hukum index. F times 1 over F. F inverse 1 over F kan? So, satu lah. 1. F and F cancel. Faham tak? So 1 times this one, you get this answer back lah guys. Satu kali apa-apa pun dapat balik yang sama lah. Okay? So that's the concept. Alright? Concept of inverse function. Kalau terbalik, you mean F inverse times F. Like this. Same concept. 1 over 8 times 8. Also 1 guys. Masih satu. So you can still cancel. Order not important over here guys. Susunan tak penting. As long you have F inverse times F, can cancel. But let's say I got G inverse times F. Yang ni boleh potong tak guys? Yes or no? Can I cancel this? Cannot lah guys. Because this is G, this is F. Two different function. Fungsi yang berbeza. Cannot cancel. Only if it's the same type of function. Fungsi yang sama. Understand? So, alright. And then the right hand side guys, belah kanan. Okay, you guys see this one. G times, you get G, F. No. Not like that. Okay guys, for this question, right? No one asked you, Ivan Lo. Okay, no one asked. I think no one have lah guys. Okay, tak ada orang kat sini ada. Okay, so G inverse F. Guys, G inverse F, you must write like this only. Okay, kamu kena tulis macam ni saja. You cannot modify anyway guys. It's like that. I also don't have. Okay, so G inverse F. Alright, so kena tulis macam ni. Okay, so you guys just do it like this. You can see got two function right guys. Dua fungsi kan. So it can do composite function. Correct? Fungsi gubahan. Means you do F first, then you do G inverse. Correct? Same concept lah. Composite function. Fungsi gubahan. Can you guys get it? F datang dulu, lepas tu G songsang. That's all. So no need to confuse one. Actually, it's two different concept. Gubakan, when the question asks you to gubakan lah. Songsang is when the question asks you to songsang. The question will say clearly one. You just follow the symbol only. Okay? Composite kai. Gubakan means composite function. Alright? So you just need to follow the question. Okay guys? Okay. So you see over here guys. G times 2k minus 5 means what guys? This 2k minus 5 actually represent what? Dia mewakili apa? Yang dalam kurungan tu. Yes. Okay, remember. It always represent your X. Okay? So, I can substitute over here right guys. Saya boleh gantikan kat GX. Am I right? Because it's GX. So, your equation akan nampak macam ni lah. Okay, you guys can substitute 2k minus 5 inside the X. Kamu gantikan yang ni dalam sebutan X. You substitute over here. Can you see the pattern guys? Nampak pola dia? You see I substitute X over here. Okay? So then you guys expand, kembangkan, and then you must express K in term of H. Okay? Ungkapkan K dalam sebutan H. So you guys just do algebra, you will get the answer. That's all. Hashtag habis. Okay? Understand guys? Can get the concept? All this over here I never explain because this is basic algebra guys. Semua yang ni kamu kena tahu dah. Tak ada apa-apa konsep. All this is basic lower form mathematics. Okay? Express, ungkapkan, semua ni skill kamu kena ada. You learn from lower form math tadi. Express, ungkapkan. Okay? So you must know. Understand guys? No problem. This one? Tak ada masalah. Continue. Continue Wah, sub-sub suai. Who else overthink this one is sub-sub suai? Siapa fikir sangat senang? Anyone? Wah, who thinks sub-sub suai over here? Come on. You guys are the next A+ candidates for AdMaths. Okay, next one guys. Okay, this question. What chapter guys? Can you all tell me? Apa bab dia? Form 4 chapter? Yeah. This is quadratic chapter guys. Okay, important this chapter. Bab ni sangat penting for AdMaths. Okay. So you see the first question. They ask you to use number line method. Guys, nowadays the trend in SPM, they like to specify the method. Means you cannot solve using other methods. Hanya boleh guna kaedah ni saja. Dia akan fix kaedah. So you guys cannot choose one. It's very strict one, the question. So you guys still remember quadratic inequalities, ketaksamaan quadratic? How many methods you have, guys, to solve? Do you all still remember? Yeah, actually got 3 methods. Okay, first method, yeah, graph number table, correct. Okay, kaedah graph, jadual, garis nombor. But you guys can only use garis nombor over here. Okay, because question say must use number line. Okay, so very simple. You guys just expand it first. Kembangkan yang ni. Okay, and then you can solve. So 3m square plus 2m plus 1 less than or equal to 16m. 3m square plus 6m plus 3 less than equal to 16m. I arrange in general form first, guys. Saya susun dalam bentuk am. Okay, so 3m square minus 10m plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay, you can factorize, guys. Okay, so if you factorize, wait, can you re-explain to me all the ways? All the ways I won't explain lah, guys, because now it's not quadratic chapter lesson. If you want, I actually got teach the chapter already. So you just go my YouTube. Okay, my YouTube actually got explained already. You just search Form 4 chapter 2, my YouTube channel will have video on that. I explain all the 3 ways one. You can watch that video. Okay, just search my name. You wait till the end of the lesson. He will give the link. Okay. Okay. So get it, guys. So these are your 2m values over here. Dua nilai m. But you must give your answer in a range. Can you see, guys? Question say range. Julat. So I cannot have equal sign. Sama dengan tak boleh. So you guys must use the number line method. Kaedah garis nombor. So you guys can see over here. This is the number line method. So since the question say must be less than or equal to 0, so my answer is negative, right, guys? Sebab lebih kurang dari kosong. So negative. So you guys will notice the answer negative only here. Okay, how they get all these values, guys? Macam mana dapat semua nilai yang ni? Okay, you just choose any number, guys. Pilih apa-apa nombor. Okay, what is a number less than 1 over 3? Can you guys tell me? Cuba fikir satu nombor kurang daripada 1/3. Anyone? Yeah. Okay, 1 over 4. Yeah, can. Okay, you can use 1 over 4. 0 lah. Actually, 0 is the simplest, guys. Kosong paling mudah. So what you do is, you substitute 0 inside the m. Okay, cuba gantikan kosong kat m. So 0 minus 3, negative, right? 3 times 0 minus 1, negative 1, right? Okay, value not important. Nilai dia tak penting. We just see the symbol. So if it's negative, you write negative. Understand, guys? We don't care whether negative 2, negative 8, negative 100, all is still negative. So kita mau tengok simbol saja. So simbol negative, letak negative. Understand? So negative times negative, you get positive, right, guys? So that's why they put positive. All right? Because these two brackets, they are times. Darab. Okay? And then you repeat the same step. 1 over 3 and 3. What is a number in between, guys? Can you give an example? Contoh, nombor antara dua-dua yang ni. Between 1 over 3 and 3. Yeah, 1 can lah. Okay, so what you do is, you put 1 here, and you put 1 over here. So 1 minus 3, negative. 3 times 1 minus 2, minus 1, positive, right? Positive 2. So negative times positive, negative. Am I right? Settle. And then the last part greater than 3, guys. Lebih besar dari 3. Any number? Example? 20,000 don't, 200,000 don't. Okay, guys. When you choose a number, please be realistic. Okay, nombor yang kamu pilih tu kena realistic. Don't put some silly number, guys. Okay, I know some people, they very gatal one. Sangat gatal. They'll suddenly tell me a number like this. You say greater than 3, what? I give greater than 3 lo. Okay lah, you're correct. Mathematic wise, you're correct lah, correct. But in terms of exam, peperiksaan wise, not so accurate, guys. Okay, it looks very weird. Okay, sangat pelik. So try to give a number that is big. Can. Again, very weird. Pelik. I know it's 3.142 greater than 3, can. Boleh. But guys, you're going to substitute pi inside here, is it? Kamu nak gantikan M sama dengan pi. And then you count. Okay? If you guys like it so much, then you try lah. Okay, so just choose a value that's closest to 3. So the closest one is 4. Okay? 5 also can lah. Alright? 3.5 also can. Decimals also can, guys. Perpuluhan boleh. Okay? So let's say M is 4. So 4 minus 3, positive, right? 3 times 4 minus 1, positive also, right? So positive times positive, your answer is positive. So the final answer is, okay, how you guys write your answer? Any one of you. Okay, now the region I want is over here. So macam mana tulis jawapan dia? Range, julat. Now it's between 1/3 and 3. So, anyone know how to write the answer? Cuba komen kalau tahu. Between 1/3 and 3. Antara dua-dua nombor ni. Anyone? Cuba. Try and see. This one is for quadratic, guys. Remember how to write range for quadratic. Yes. Okay, the answer is 1/3 less than. Why you lower? Oh, because the answer get negative, guys. Can you see that? It's negative value 1. And the question 1 less than or equal to. Can you see that? Lebih kurang atau sama dengan. Means negative lah. Okay, can you see here? Less than or equal to 0, which means negative. Okay, understand? That's why I choose this region over here. Okay? Lorek tu meaning dia apa? Maksudnya, dia memuaskan ketaksaman tu. Bahagian yang saya lorek maksudnya ketaksaman tu saya memuaskan dia lah. Okay, it satisfies the inequality. Alright? So you write your answer like this. Wait, over here. Wow. Tablet also scared. See so much at maths already. Wait, guys. This one. Okay, so you can write the answer like this. 1/3 less than or equal to M, less than or equal to 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, lorek is negative, right? Yeah, correct. Only the negative part. Okay, because less than or equal to 0, guys. You must remember that. Okay, lebih kurang atau sama dengan kosong. Alright. So that's the concept. Okay. Yes, depend on the question. If question greater than or equal to 0, then you lorek positive lah, guys. That's the concept. Okay. Okay, so next one. Part B, guys. So part B, the question say like this. One of the root is 2 times the other root. Satu punca, 2 kali punca yang lain. So guys, can you all tell me what are the 2 roots over here? Can you guys type out? How do you write it? One root is 2 times the other root. So, what are your roots? Yes. Okay, you just put alpha and 2 alpha lah. Very simple. Okay, one root is alpha, another one 2 alpha. Because 2 kali, 2 times. Okay? So now, what must you do, guys? You have equation already. Ada persamaan. So, you can find your SOR, HTP. Am I right? You can find your POR. Yes, HDP. So you guys find out lah. So negative B over A, right? Formula dia. So it's negative K over 3. And this is equal to alpha plus 2 alpha. Sum of roots. Hasil tambah punca. And then POR, C over A, 96 over 3. So the answer is alpha times 2 alpha. Understand, guys? So can you see 2 equations here? Ada 2 persamaan. This is your first equation. And this is your second equation. Okay, 96 over 3 is 32, guys. Okay, so you guys can already find alpha. Am I right? Kamu boleh cari nilai dia. So you guys will get alpha is equal to positive negative 4. Correct? Okay, but alpha, can it be negative? Possible or not? Negative 4. So you guys must think and see. Alpha is 4 or negative 4? 4 atau negatif 4. Okay, so if you see the question, right guys, values of K, nilai-nilai K. So how many answer do I have guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Ya, 2 kan? So means that dua-dua nilai alpha pun betul lah. Okay, 2 alpha values. So you find when alpha is 4, 3 times 4 equal negative K over 3. So K is equal to negative 36. First answer. And then second answer, alpha equal negative 4. Kamu gantikan, substitute, equal to negative K over 3. So your K is actually 36. So this is second answer. Understand guys? Cara selesaikan dia? Clear? So this is how you solve for question B. Senang kan? Very simple, right? As long as your concept strong, right guys? Simple only. Very straightforward. Am I right? Just like that. If penyempurnan kuasa 2 kita kena guna bila. Okay. When the question ask you to convert to vertex form. Kalau soalan suruh beri jawapan macam ni, kamu kena guna PKD. Faham tak? Soalan suruh bagi jawapan macam ni. Dia akan cakap beri jawapan dalam bentuk yang ni. Okay? Kena guna PKD. Okay, this one is completing the square guys. If question ask this format, this is called vertex form. Bentuk vertex. Very important. Okay, completing the square. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so we go to question number 6. Okay guys, this one very simple guys. Your favorite chapter in AdMaths. What is your favorite? Wait. Yeah, favorite chapter, correct. What's your favorite chapter, guys? This one. What chapter is this? Anyone? Apa? Got chapter 0, guys. Wow. First time I heard something called as chapter 0. Oh my god. Wow, chapter 0 is mean basic lah, guys. I think form 4 chapter 0 is mean basic. Okay? No. This is form 4 chapter 3, guys. You want to find the A and B. Nak cari coordinate dia. Intersection point. Titik persilangan. This is system of equation. Okay? But if you see the question, right? The question actually asks you to find midpoint. So actually it combine form 4 chapter 7 also lah, guys. Okay, 2 chapter they combine, make 1 question. So you need 2 knowledge over here. Okay? So first step, basically you guys must find coordinate lah. Okay, kamu kena cari coordinate A, coordinate B. Okay, you must find both of the coordinate. So how? You have 1 equation, you have another equation. Okay, which one is linear, guys? May I know? Mana persamaan yang linear kat sini? A or B? Which one is linear? Yes. Okay, so this is linear. This one is non-linear. So you guys must identify this first. Kenal pasti dulu. Mana linear, mana bukan linear. Then, okay, remember, if you got linear and non-linear, right guys, you can only use substitution method. Hanya boleh penggantian. Faham tak? Penghapusan tak boleh. Kalau satu linear, satu bukan linear. Elimination cannot. Only substitution. So, you sub the linear into the non-linear. Ini arah dia. Okay? Because it's easier, guys. Kaedah ni lebih senang. We always substitute linear inside non-linear. Lebih pantas. Okay? You guys imagine lah, guys. If you guys want to start from here, can, boleh. But it's more confusing, right? Especially you got y square, kuasa 2. It's quite hard. Am I right? So that's why I will start to answer from here. So y equal x minus 1 kan? Saya dapat dari sini. So, I substitute over here lah, guys. Just direct gantikan. Okay, so x minus 1 square minus 2x equal to 13. Can you see that, guys? I'm doing substitution. Penggantian. Yes, correct. Understand, guys? Do you see how I get this one? All clear? Substitution. Okay? So, expand lah, guys. You have to kembangkan saja. So, x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 13 equals 0. X square minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. So, now you can factorize. Faktorkan dia. Yeah, get your two value. 6 to negative positive. So x is negative 2, x equal to 6. Okay? So guys, logic, A, you focus on coordinate A. The x is negative 2 or 6 over here. Which one correct, guys? Untuk coordinate A. Mana nilai x yang betul? Yes. Okay, you must lose logic, guys. Okay, so the answer is negative 2 and the B is x equals 6. Okay, kamu kena lihat graph lah. Okay, focus on the graph, you will get the answer. Okay, then you substitute back, find your y. Okay, so y equal to x minus 1. So negative 3. And y equal to x minus 1, 5. Okay, so your coordinate is 2, negative 3. Sorry, negative 2, 3 and 6, 5. Understand, guys? Dapat? So this is your coordinate A and also coordinate B. Understand? And then midpoint, titik tengah. Do you guys still remember what is the formula? All of you? Titik tengah formula? This one you guys learn in lower form, guys. Menengah rendah. Basic midpoint formula. Yes, this is the one. X1 plus X2 over 2, Y1 plus Y2 over 2, correct? So, you just guna dua coordinate yang ni lah. This one and this one. Use the midpoint formula, you can get the answer. That's all. Just guna rumus dia. So, you can see the answer over here. Okay, very straightforward, this question. So, this is the answer, guys. Okay, jelas? All of you clear? I think this question easy, right? Should be no problem. This answer. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, midpoint. Understand? So far, all of you, all clear? If only admaths is that easy. You must remember, guys, this is only one out of the 15 question in your admaths paper. Ini hanya satu soalan daripada 15 soalan dalam kertas satu. So, you must really score lah. Okay? Chapter 3, Form 4 lah. System of equation. And chapter 6, Form 4, linear law. Senang. Chapter 10, chapter 9 also senang. SOT and index number. Depends lah. Different people, different preference. Okay? Alright. So next one, guys. This chapter. What chapter is this? May I know? Kamu lihat soal macam ni. Apa bab dia? You see. What you guys think? Yeah. Whenever you see coordinate, right, guys, is confirmed coordinate geometry 1. Okay, Form 4, Chapter 7. Okay, so now the question asks you to find the equation of straight line JK. Garis lurus JK. Okay, so you see the diagram. JM, you already have the answer. So JM is 2y minus equal 5x minus 21. Okay, and now you must find JK. All right. So very simple, guys. Keyword 90 degrees, guys. 90 darjah. What is the formula you guys learn? If 90 degrees. Form 4 chapter 7, guys. Apa rumus dia? Kalau berserenjang. Yes. Automatic M1, M2 equal to negative 1. Yeah. So guys, what is the gradient for this line? Can you all tell me? Apa kecerunan dia kat sini? Anyone? Wrong. Careful lah. Remember, guys. Those who say 5, be careful lah. 5 salah. Make sure kamu kena susun persamaan tu dalam bentuk arm. You must rearrange in y equal to mx plus c. Then only you guys can see gradient. Understand? You cannot see gradient from here. Tak boleh nampak secara terus. Okay? Kena susun. Y equal mx plus c. Alright? So, 5 over 2. M2 equal to negative 1. You can find the answer. Negative 2 over 5. So maksudnya, this gradient over here is negative 2 over 5. Understand? How to susun? Siang Ping, which one? How to susun? You just divide 2. Normal algebra. 5x minus 21. Divide 2 both sides. Understand? Y equal 5 over 2x minus 21 over 2. Okay? Y equal to mx plus c. Alright? Okay. So now, this one, guys. So now you can form the straight line, right? Okay, what is the formula to form straight line? All of you. Apa rumus dia? You have a point, you have the gradient. So, what's the formula? All the information already have, guys. Semua info sudah ada. Yes, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. You guys use this formula lah, guna rumus ni. So, just substitute all the value. Gantikan. Okay, y1 is negative 1, y2 x1 is negative 2. Alright, then you guys kembangkan, you get the answer for part A. Okay, so this is the answer, guys, untuk bahagian A. Alright, so your answer is 5y plus 2x plus 9 equal to 0. Yeah. Okay, guys, one more thing. For ADMATS, right? ADMATS for straight line equation, usually kita akan guna yang ni. Okay, we will use this equation one. We don't always use y equal mx plus c for ADMATS. ADMATS kita tak suka yang ni. Biasanya kita suka yang ni. Alright? Understand, guys? Just a preference lah. Okay? Like example, you guys suka Mishwe or Baskin Robin? You guys tell me. If dessert, Mishwe or Baskin Robin? You guys comment. Which one you guys like? Dessert. Kalau nak something yang sweet, you guys go for what? Mishwe or Baskin? Not Bhuvan. I'm giving you two choice only, guys. Mishwe or Baskin Robin? You guys cannot choose anything else. Two things only. You guys say Mishwe, right? So same concept lah, guys. Both of it is dessert, right? Dua-dua pun adalah manisan. But you choose one. Mishwe. Preference. Same over here lah. Both of these are straight line. Dua-dua garis lurus. But you guys choose this one. This is the preference. Okay? I like ice cream potong. Usually I don't eat lah. Okay, biasanya saya tak makan. Mishwe, your leg gonna... Oh, okay. Yeah. You guys heard of teh potong kaki? Pernah dengar tak? Teh potong kaki. Yes. Diabetes lah. Especially nowadays. I suka. Tapi saya tak makan yang ice cream potong. I memang suka. Alright? Alright. So guys, this is the answer. Okay, one more thing. Take note. General form, guys. When question asks you, give your answer in general form. Bentuk am. The format is like this, guys. Take note. This is called as general form. Bentuk am for straight line. Okay, a lot of people actually think y equal mx plus c is the general form. Ramai orang fikir yang ni adalah bentuk am. Garis lurus. Bukan, sebenarnya bukan. No. Okay, the general form is actually this one. Okay, for straight line. Bentuk am. Take note, guys, because ADMATS question can sometimes ask, write your answer in general form. Okay, jelas? Guys, why suddenly talking diabetes? Wah, the group chat become so sweet already. Wah, sangat manis dah. Okay, what's the form? Then why? Oh, this one. This one is called, actually this one got no name, you know, guys. Y equal to mx plus c, right? This one actually don't have a name. Tak ada nama untuk bentuk yang ni sebenarnya. It's not called general form. Oh, intercept form. Intercept form yang ni. X over A plus Y over B equal 1. Have you guys seen this equation? All of you? Pernah dengar tak? Oh, never. Okay, take note, guys. This is called as intercept form. Remember from today. If you guys never heard this, remember now. Okay, ingat yang ni. This is called bentuk pintasan. Okay, for straight line. Okay, yeah. This one also you can form straight line. This one is Form 4 Chapter 7. You never study yet, I think. Okay, we learn this. Oh, yeah, correct. This one actually Form 3 you guys learned already. Yeah, not only Form 4 actually. Correct. Form 3, lower form, guys. So if you guys forget, revise your lower form. Okay, all right. So next question, guys. Part B, Okay, so now, this question. They ask you find the point that satisfy the equation of JK and JM. Okay, cari titik yang memuaskan JK dan JM. Okay, so what is the concept over here, guys? What you guys think? What is the point that will satisfy JK and also JM? Apa soalan dia? Actually, is to find coordinate J lah, guys. Am I right? Dia nak cari titik persilangan. That's all. Question actually mean find the intersection point. Because only this point is on JM and also JK. Hanya titik J saja. Dua-dua garis ni akan kongsi. Alright? So, simultaneous. Okay, you got JK equation, you got JM equation, simultaneous. Okay? So, you guys can see over here. Ini langkah dia. Okay, so just solve simultaneous equation, you boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, nothing to explain lah guys. Yeah. Basically, question means titik persilangan. Okay? Any problem guys? This question? All good? Jelas so far? No question? Continue, huh? Okay. Next one. Question 8. Okay, guys. See this question. What chapter, guys? May I know? Ba apa? Very simple. You guys see arithmetic progression already. Yeah. This is your progression, guys. Janjang. Form 4, chapter 5. Okay. Okay, not that difficult lah, guys. Certain soalan dia tak susah. Don't worry. Okay. So for this question, they ask you to find the value of h. Yeah, they're actually harder question. This one consider easy one. Okay. So how to find h, guys? Anyone got idea? Macam mana nak cari nilai h? What's the concept? This kind of question, sometimes people will start. They have no idea. But you guys must try to think. What is the idea? Nope. Bukan? Yes. Find common difference and equalize. Very good. Yes. Okay, because they tell you it's an arithmetic, guys. Arithmetic is plus minus, right? Tambah tolak. So, there will be a common difference. Beza sepunya. Okay, so you guys can actually just minus lah. Take T2, T1, T2, T3. So I take T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Can you guys see how I get the equation? This is my equation, guys. So just selesaikan lah yang ni. Just solve the equation, get your H answer. Okay? So you guys can see the working step. All of these algebra saja. So nothing much. You guys can see. This is the answer. Okay, yeah. This one. Okay, so your D value is actually negative 30. Wait. That one is for B, right, guys? Let me see. Oh, H value, sorry. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai H. So your H value is actually 109 over 13. Alright. I actually found in Telegram group. So I just use lah. Okay, not me. Okay. Alright. So guys, this one. Under the SPMnetic channel. Okay. But it's quite long ago lah. It's quite long ago PDF. But I found lah. Look quite nice. Okay. Alright. So this one, guys. Okay, if you guys see the concept, right? Over here, you guys must be careful. This question. Okay, this question actually got a catch. Do you all see this, guys? First three odd terms. 3 sebutan ganjil. Yang pertama. So guys, actually, right? This one is T1. This one is T3. This one is T5. Do you all know that? You guys cannot assume T1, T2, T3, ya. Tak boleh anggap macam ni. Reason? Because they say odd, guys. Ganjil. Okay. This is a trap actually. Pelengkap. So, you guys must actually write out like this. These are your terms. So, how to solve? You guys need to find your T3 and T5. Okay. You guys can find the common difference value. Okay. Cuba cari beza sepunya. Okay. So, how you guys find the common difference? Okay. Basically, T1 is the first term, right, guys? A. Am I right? So, I can use A plus N minus 1D is equal to T3. Setuju, guys? I can use this formula, right? Because it's arithmetic progression. Janjang arithmetic. So, my N value is 3, right? Because T3. So, saya gantikan 3 lah. And then my A is H plus 2. My D, saya just leave it as unknown. Okay, D just leave it as unknown. And then, you guys just express D in term of H. Okay, ungkapkan D dalam sebutan H. Do you guys understand this step over here? Cannot. Tak boleh. You guys cannot do like that. Okay. I don't think you will get the answer lah. Okay, because it is skipping. And you must also know T3 minus T1 is actually not D. Am I right, guys? Dia tak sama dengan D kan? Because D must be side by side, the terms. Like T1, T2, T4, T5, it must be side by side. Bersebelahan. Tapi yang ni tak bersebelahan. Am I right? It's 3 and 1. So you cannot say it's D. Wait, let me think. Okay. If you say 2D, right? Let me see. Okay, this one can. I think can. Yeah. Can. You can say it's 2D, correct. You can think of this, guys. You can think of this idea, can. Yeah, it's valid. But I'm not sure whether majority can think of this lah. Kalau majority boleh fikir yang ni, bagus. Can lah. And then T5 minus T3 is also 2D. Okay? You guys can think like this. No problem. So if you guys form your equation using these two, boleh. Then you guys do simultaneous lah. Simultaneous concept. Okay? I got the calculation final answer wrong, but I did all the necessary. Yes, of course, guys. You show working, confirm got marks one. Ada marker. Don't worry. Okay? And then this one for T5, again, same concept. A plus N minus 1, D. Your T5 is H plus 2 over 9, based on the question. All these questions sudah bagi. Okay? And then, you again express D in term of H. Okay, ungkapkan D dalam sebutan H. So, I got one equation, I got two equation, simultaneous equation lah guys. Persamaan serentak. Samakan dia. Because both of it is D. Am I right? So, I can equalize. Samakan. And then you guys will get the answer. H equal to 109 over 13. Okay? Understand guys? Can get the concept for part A? All of you okay? This one? Can? Can or not? I need some response guys. Come on. Can or not? Boleh atau tidak? You guys must still semangat, you know. We fighting together for AdMax. Can No problem. Okay. Alright. Next one Okay, so next question. Wait. Okay. So for part B, the question asks for, I will send the answer in the WhatsApp group, SpringStar. No need to copy one. Are you inside my WhatsApp group, SpringStar? Or no? If you're not yet in the WhatsApp group, then you can PM me later. You just PM my number. Okay, Kai will share later at the end. Okay? So you wait till the end lah. Okay, next one guys. Common difference. Beza sepunya. Okay, so very simple. You guys just need to substitute your H value inside here lah. Okay, just gantikan nilai H in any of the two equation. Okay, so your answer is negative 30 over 13. Simple, right? So you guys can get question A correct, question B automatically correct lah guys. Okay, it's just related, berhubung. Okay, that's all. Okay, next one. Question number 9. Come back to your favorite topic guys. Your vector. Semangat, right? That's why I say guys, you guys must try question 1. If you try question, then only you'll come better. Okay, so for this one, they tell you MN 0, -1, 3, 3. Always motivate me. Thank you very much. When to know should I present my answer in decimal or pecahan? Any way also can. May. Depends on you. You follow what you want. You talking for this question, right? Just now one. Okay, you see the question. The question asked in the form of A over B. Means that the question want you your answer in fraction lah guys. That's the concept. Dia nak pecahan. So you give pecahan lah. If question tak bagi tahu yang ni, let's say question never say, then anything is okay. Apa-apa pun boleh. As long your answer is correct. Yeah. Is free if unless specified, correct. That's the concept. Alright? Okay guys. So now guys, this question, they ask you to find Mn. Okay, how to find Mn? Over here. Siapa ada konsep dia? Mn equal to, what is the combination? Can you all tell me? Very simple guys. This one. Senang. This kind of vector question, right? Consider very easy one. Yeah. Just MO plus ON lah guys. Am I right? MO plus ON. So it's ON minus OM. Am I right? So what is ON? ON, you guys have coordinate, right? It's 3, 3. OM is 0, -1. So you guys can get the answer already. Just do minus. So your final answer is 3i plus 4j. Understand, guys? For part 1, jelas how I get the answer? Why ON? Because MN, VJ, they want MN. So the combination is MO plus ON. Okay? And you must understand one thing, guys. These two coordinates, right? They are actually called as, depends on you. You can arrange like this or you can write like this also can, guys. Kalau kamu selesaikan macam ni pun boleh. It's the same meaning one, guys. Exactly the same one. Your answer is still this one. Depend. Just choose one method. Pilih satu. Okay? So this one is actually called as position vectors. Have you guys heard of this? All of you? Vektor kedudukan. Pernah dengar tak terms yang ni? Vektor kedudukan. What is the meaning, guys, of position vectors? If you guys still remember your Form 4 Chapter 8, apa maksud dia? Anyone? Come on. Tell me. What is the meaning of position vectors? Try to remember back, guys. Ingat balik. You guys forget, tell me you forget in the chat box. Don't worry. If you forget, you just say forget. No worries one. Anyone? Do you all still remember this? Yes or no? Yes. The concept of position vectors is it must start from the origin. Remember, guys. So example OA, OB, OC. Everything start from the origin, guys. Can you see that? Semua kena mula dengan O. O represent origin, asalan. Faham tak, guys? Kena mula dengan asalan. Okay, so coordinates are basically position vectors. This is what you must understand. Okay, coordinate maksudnya vektor kedudukan. Okay, so that is the concept. When to use this situation? Anytime. You can use it for any vector question. This one is a general knowledge about vectors. Whenever they give you a coordinate, that is the position vector. Because how we plot coordinate, guys? May I know? How do you guys plot a coordinate on a graph? Macam mana? You guys refer to origin. Am I right? You must know where is your origin. Then using what, Kai? Using what? Of course, la pen or pencil. Am I right? Guys, you think and see. Susah lah. Okay, guys, you think and see. How will you plot coordinate in a graph? Macam mana kamu plot dia? I'm not saying what instrument. Saya tak tanya apa alatan. I'm saying how. Macam mana? Okay, yes. You must have position, right? Kena ada kedudukan. Am I right? Yeah. X and Y. But guys, if I don't tell you where is your origin, can you plot that point or not? You all think and see. Let's say saya tak bagi tahu kat mana asalan. Kamu boleh plot coordinate tak? Cuba fikir secara logik. Tak boleh kan? Cannot, right? Because you don't know where is your reference point. Kamu tak tahu titik rujukan tu kat mana. So that is the importance of origin, guys. Do you understand? Itu kepentingan asalan. It's like a marker to tell you guys where to plot the point. Understand? Okay. So that is the concept. Okay. So next one, unit vector, guys. Vector unit. Do you all still remember unit vector? What is the formula? Apa rumus dia? Come on. Formula, please. I want the full answer. If you guys still remember. Jawapan penuh. What's the formula? Yes, very good. The answer is vector over magnitude. Okay, this is unit vector lah, guys. Understand? That's all. Okay, so Mn, this is your answer. So it's 3i plus 4j over magnitude. Magnitude is Pythagoras theorem. Remember, guys, magnitude punya rumus macam theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so it's 3 square plus 4 square. So it's 3i plus 4j over 5. That's all. This is the answer. Understand, guys? So this is the answer for vector unit vector. Okay. And then part B, guys. Part B, they ask you to find the vector that has magnitude 3 unit, which is parallel. Okay, this question very good, guys. Soalan ni bagus. Okay, you guys think and see how to find the answer for part B. Macam mana kamu boleh dapat jawapan? This one is the unit vector, right? Means is this answer. Am I right, guys? Ini jawapan dia. 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j. Yes, can depend on you lah. Guys, you write the answer like this or like this, both also correct. Dua-dua betul. Okay? Depend on you. Okay. So next one. So this one, guys, they ask you magnitude 3 unit. So what does this mean? Anyone can think and see. And they say it's parallel, selari. So whenever they say parallel, what is the formula? Yeah, you're going to use lambda, guys. Do you all still remember this formula? Masih ingat? This is the formula for parallel, guys. Selari, parallel vector. Okay? So lambda, what is the value of lambda, guys? Over here. Apa nilai dia? Yes, very good. Remember, guys, lambda is your constant, pemala. So it's the magnitude, 3 unit. Okay? And then the B is basically 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j lah. No need to compare. Just this one. This is your answer, guys. Settle. Itu jawapan dia. Understand? Because it's parallel. So the relationship is lambda times the vector. So this is the vector. Okay? So this is the working, guys. Jalan kira. So you guys can see over here. Simple, right? Straightforward. This is a basic, very basic vector question. Confirm you guys kena dapat markah penuh kat sini. No other choice. Confirm must have full mark. This one. Okay? Understand? Okay, next one. Question 10. Okay, so now guys, this question is what? Can you all tell me? Apa? Very simple lah. Progression, right? So this is Form 4, Chapter 5. Janjang. Yes. Okay? So they already tell you the formula and they ask you to find the value of n. Cari nilai n. Sn equal to 70. For asking apa maksud jadual hukum linear mesti 4AB. Apa maksud kamu? Tak faham. Apa maksud jadual hukum linear mesti 4AB? Tak faham. I don't understand your question. Sorry ya. Maybe you try to explain better. Cuba terangkan lebih. Yeah. Okay. So next one. Okay. So Sn equal to 70 over here, guys. Okay. So n square minus 3n equal to 70. So you guys just need to factorize this one lah. Okay. Faktorkan saja. Okay. And then you will get the value of n. So this is the step over here. Okay. So guys, can I ask you? N equal to -7. Can or not? Boleh tak? Yang ni. Yes or no? All of you. Sama-sama? Cannot guys. Why cannot? Can you guys tell me? Oh, I think you ask your teacher again. See what she has to tell. No, not really. Yes, it must be positive, guys. Because N is number of terms. Bilangan sebutan, yes. Bilangan tak boleh negatif. Can I say, I got -2 pencil? Guys, saya ada -2 pencil. Faham tak maksud dia? Oh, faham. Apa maksud dia? What's the meaning? Saya pun tak faham. Can you explain to me? What does it mean by -2 pencil? Means the pencil is in the opposite direction. Is it, guys? Pencil tu berlawanan arah. So pencil tak nampak macam pencil. So -2. You have to make 2 pencil. I also don't understand lah, guys. Okay. There is no such thing as negative pencil. Okay. All right. Next one. Part B. Okay. So now the question asks you the sum of the 6th term to the 10th term. Okay. Hasil tambah sebutan ke-6 sampai ke-10. So guys, what is the concept over here? Anyone got idea? How to find S6 to 10? Anyone? It's a good question. This one. Soalan yang bagus. So anyone got ideas over here? Wrong. If you say S10 minus S6, wrong. Nope. Still wrong. Equal to what, guys? Yes, very good. The answer is S10 minus S5, guys. This is the answer. Understand? Can you guys imagine? I want to sum from number 6 until number 10, guys. Saya nak tambah dari 6 sampai 10. So, I take total 10 minus yang depan 5 lah. Then I get dari 6 sampai 10. Can you imagine, guys? If you cannot imagine, you draw number line. Very simple, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you draw number line, confirm faham, guys. This is S10. This is S5. Tujuh tak? This one you guys must agree first. Agree, right? So, this one is S10 minus, S6 to S10 lah. Okay, sum of 6 until 10. Faham tak, guys? So, how to find this? You must take S10 minus S5 lah. Based on the diagram. Kamu lihat wajah dia. Total minus yang depan 5. Then you get 6 until 10. Okay, cannot minus 6 guys. Kalau kamu tolak S6, habis. It's not the correct answer. Okay, you must minus 1 before that. Tolak satu nombor sebelum 6. Okay? So you guys just use the formula lah. Just use this one. So N is 10 and N is 5. Just substitute. So your answer will get 60. Okay, so you get 60, yeah. This is the final answer. Okay, understand? All of you? Simple, right? I think this kind of question very basic, right? For all of you. Wait, got harder question coming. Okay, come and see this question, guys. Number 11, soalan ke-11. Okay, this one is about what? This one is again linear law, guys. Hukum linear, but we are talking about log now. So anyone's log not good, you guys must focus here. Okay, so this graph is log 10y against x, guys. Okay, log 10y against x. So they ask you to express this in linear form. Okay, you guys must use linear form. Okay, so very simple, guys. Y square equal to 10 ax plus b. This is the question, soalan. So how you guys modify? Anyone of you got ideas? Macam mana nak ubah yang ni? Anyone? You must change it based on your graph. Remember, guys, you must see the axis of your graph. Cuba nampak paksi dia dan ubah. So, what should I add? Anyone? Apa yang saya kena tambah kat sini? Anyone got idea? Yes. Just add log 10 lah. Simple. Log 10 y square equal to log 10 10 ax plus b. So, if I have a power in log, guys, what can I do to the power? Kalau saya dah kuasa kat log, boleh buat apa? This is the log law. Yes, you move it in front. Correct. So you get like this. Okay, guys. Log 10 10. What is the answer? Yeah, another law. 1. So it's just ax plus b lah. And then you can divide by 2. Bagi 2. So you will get half ax plus half b. Can you guys see now? Y equal to mx plus c. Can you see the format? So this is how you answer question A lah, guys. That's all. This is what you call linear form. Bentuk linear. Okay? That's all. Okay, and then part B1. They ask you to find A and B, guys. Cari nilai A dan B. So, you can find the gradient. Okay, so the gradient is 6 minus 2 over 8 minus 0. The M value. Okay, so you will get 1 over 2. Okay, 1 per 2. So, 1 over 2 is equal to what, guys? Can you tell me? What is the expression for gradient based on the equation here? Kecaunan dia apa? Anyone? Yes, equal to 1 over 2a lah. So your a value is 1. Am I right? And then y-intercept, lintasan y 2 kan? So 2 is equal to half b. Half b is the y-intercept, c value. Okay, so B value equal to 4. Understand, guys? So this your B, this your A. Settle. Simple, right? And then value of Y when X is 2. Okay, so when X is 2, this one you guys must count lah. Okay, can use the equation over here. Okay, so you guys got log 10Y equal to half A. So A is 1 and then X. Okay, nilai X 2 kan based on the question. So you substitute 2 plus with half B. So B is 4, right? So you substitute 4. So log 10Y is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. So how do I get Y, guys? Any one of you? Macam mana saya cari Y? Dari sini. So how to convert? Anyone? Do you still remember? Log form to index form. Macam mana tukar? Yes. Okay, Y is equal to 10 power 3, guys. So the answer is 1000. Senang? Simple, right? Yes. You use anti-log concept. Okay, so these are all the working, guys, for just now question. Very simple lah. Basic. Okay, continue. Pergi lagi. Still can tahan. I told you guys NMATS is simple, right? Saya dah bagi tahu NMATS tu senang. Am I right? You guys only keep on say very hard, susah, susah. Okay, now, next one. Okay, log. Who don't like log? Over here. Siapa tak suka? Okay, this one is Form 4, Chapter 4, guys. For those weak in log, please focus very well. These two questions. Lihat betul-betul. This is the last one for Section A. Question 12. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to find log X 24. Okay, a lot of people they've confused is because they don't know how to change it. Macam mana tukar dia? Okay, the concept is you can actually modify the information, guys. Okay, kamu boleh tukar informasi dia. So guys, how do I modify it? Very simple. Okay, this one, right? So I can write 1 over log x3 equal to P. Do you all understand this? Faham tak? Do you guys get the rule? Okay, I can switch the base. Kalau saya tukar dua-dua nombor ni, it become 1 over 1 per. Or in other words, I can write like this. Log xx over log x3 equal to P. Do you all still remember, guys, this rule? Masih ingat tak? Tambah asas baru. When you add a new base, this is the formula, right? You add log xx first, divide by log x3. Am I right? So log xx, what is the answer, guys? This one. Log xx, 1, right? So I cancel this, I write 1. Okay? So means that I can say that log x3 is equal to 1 over P. Correct? So can you see, guys? What I do here is I make it to the same base. Saya bagi dia asas sama. My question base X, right? So I modify the info, become base X. Oh, okay. You modify the information always, guys. Kamu modify info yang dia beri. Okay? Because question base X, right? So you modify the information, become base X. So that easier for you. Understand? So the same thing you do with this one. Benda sama. You focus on this. So 1 over log x2 is equal to Q. Am I right? So log x2 is equal to 1 over Q. Do you guys get this? Jelas? How I modify? Yes. Correct lah? You follow what the question 1, guys. Question 1 base X, right? So you convert to base X. That's the concept. All right? Okay, so you guys see now. 24, guys. How to get 24? Can you all think for me? Macam mana dapat 24? Common sense, guys. You got a 3, you got a 2 here. So, what is the combination? How to get 24? You must split it lah, guys. Kamu kena pisahkan dia. Alright? So, you get log x. Yeah. Okay? So, 3 times 2 power 3. Okay, so log x3, 1 over p, and then plus 3 log x 2. So this is the answer, guys. Understand? Jelas? Can you see the concept? So this is how you write the answer for part A. Okay? No problem, guys. Jelas? Respond a bit. Clear or not? This one? I must make sure you guys really understand one. Okay? Can? Okay. Next one. Okay, so for part B, this one, they ask you to express n in terms of all the other terms. Okay, so again, guys, you see log over here. No need to be scared one. Don't confuse. You change everything, become the same base. Okay, so you see base 2, base 2, base 2. This one base 8, guys. Base 8 cannot. We must change to base 2. So that you can combine. Am I right? Our main aim is to combine. So you can see over here, I change the base 8 become base 2. Can you see that? Saya tambah asas baru. Okay, so when you add new base, it will become log 2m power 6 over log 2 8. Concept is like this. Do you all still remember this formula? This one got in your AddMaths formula sheet. This is the law of log. Masih ingat tak, guys? Hukum ni. You add a new base, tambah asas baru. This is the formula, right? You just apply this formula. Guna rumus ni pada this one. Okay? So that's why they get log 2 m power 6 over log 2 8. Okay? All right. And then all the numbers here you can bring in front, guys. Bawa dia ke atas. Okay? Based on the law of log. Just bring it to become power. Okay, so you get this one and this one. Okay, so minus, guys, in log. Minus become what? May I know? Tolak jadi apa for log? If you guys still remember, yeah, bahagilah. So you can see over here, they will change it to become divide over here. Can you see that, guys? When it's plus, you times. When minus, you divide. So this is the concept over here. Okay, the rest all is the same only. Okay, one more thing. Log 2 8 is 3, guys. You guys know, right? Why is 3? Faham kan? Okay, 8 is 2 power 3. So 3 you bring in front. So it become 3 log 2 2. 3 log 2 2 is a 3. Am I right? So log 2 8 sama dengan 3. That's why you have 1 over 3 over here. Okay? And then, okay, this one, same concept. You must convert the log form to index form. Okay, tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index. So it's 2 power 2 equal to h power 4n over k3m square. So then you just answer the question. Question asks n in term of kmh. Okay, ungkapkan n dalam sebutan yang lain. Okay, understand, guys, how to solve this log question? Simple, right? You see the starting, right, guys? The question looks susah kan? Dia nampak macam pening kan? Bila nampak. But actually very easy one. Always the first step, guys. Remember, all must be in the same base. Semua kena asas sama. Ingat yang tu. Lepas tu kamu guna hukum. Faham? You change everything to same base, then only you start to use the law. If plus means can times. If minus means can divide. Understand? Clear? Question 12, guys. Okay. No problem. If no problem, now we come to section B, guys. Okay. Bahagian B already. Okay. So for section B, I will discuss only 2 questions because you guys need to answer only 2 questions. Okay. Hanya perlu jawab 2 soalan. Okay. So guys, you all tell me which 2 questions you want me to discuss. Okay. This is question 13. And then this one is question 14. And then, no, you guys cannot tahan one, I know. And then this one is question 15. Okay, so mana 2 soalan yang kamu nak, guys? Comment the number. 13, 14 or 15? 15 is log. 14 is the quadratic. Okay, 14, 15. I follow majority one. Okay, majority still 14, 15. Okay, 14, 15 lah. Okay. So 13 tak perlu lah. Okay. So we do 14 and 15. Okay. So Bhuvan and Bhuvan. Why Bhuvan and Bhuvan? I don't understand. Okay. So question 14, guys. Okay. So they give you a quadratic equation, alpha, beta, and then another quadratic equation, another two roots. Okay. Look very confusing, right? Nampak macam pening. Because now you got two equations. Dua persamaan. It's okay. You see the question, guys. They ask you to count P and Q. Cari nilai P, cari nilai Q. So, what concept, guys? Whenever you see two unknown, they ask you in admaths, what is the concept always? Dua pemboleh ubah. So, kena guna konsep apa? Anyone? Two variable. Yes. Remember, guys. Two variable straight away simultaneous, guys. Ingat, tak ada apa-apa lain. Always persamaan serentak. Okay? So, substitution or elimination. Penggantian penghapusan saja. Okay? So, you must form two equation. Okay, so where to get the two equation? This is your first equation lah, guys. SOR, POR. Am I right? Hasil tambah punca, hasil darab punca. You guys can find the information from this equation. Okay, so you guys see over here the working step. Okay, so this is for the first equation. Okay, alpha plus beta is 7/2 and alpha beta is 1/2. Okay, alpha plus beta negative B/A. Okay, so negative B is negative 7, A is 2. So that's why 7/2 alpha plus beta. And then alpha beta is C/A, right, guys? So C/A, 1/2, 1/2. Okay, now we are focusing on this one. Okay, understand so far? Faham? Dua persamaan ni? Can get it, right? Okay, and then you guys must form it using the new roots. Okay, guna punca yang baru. So for this equation, these are the roots. So you guys do SOR, POR again lah. Hasil tambah punca, hasil darab punca. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, HTP, hasil tambah punca. Don't worry, guys. It look complex, right? Nampak susah. It's okay. Alright, one thing you must take note. Alpha square plus beta square, guys. You can actually write it out in this format. Agree ya, guys? Kamu boleh tulis yang ni sebagai yang ni. Just now one person told me. Remember? Satu orang tanyakan this format. A plus B, A plus B. Is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Am I right? Masih ingat, guys? Pengembangan yang ni? So, if I want to find alpha square plus beta square. So basically, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Yang ni saya kena buang ke sini. Faham tak? Can you see the concept? I shift 2 alpha beta from right to left, guys. So I remain with alpha square and also beta square. Can you see that? So that's why alpha square plus beta square, I substitute with this one. Why? Because I want to put all this value inside, guys. Saya nak letak semua nilai ni ke dalam. Understand tak? So alpha plus beta, I put 7/2. Alpha beta, I put 1/2. So you can already get the value of P. Can you see that? Negative B/A. So you guys use negative B/A saja. Okay, for this equation. So that's why negative P/8. Understand, guys, so far? Okay, so you can get the P answer D. Just press calculator, P equal to negative 118. Okay, and then for POR, hasil darab punca, you must times these two. Okay, so basically you have the values tadi lah, guys. Kamu ada nilai. Am I right? Okay, alpha plus beta 7/2. And alpha square beta square nilai yang ni lah, this whole value you count is actually 45/4. So substitute, gantikan. Okay, so your answer is actually 315. Understand, guys? Jelas how I find P and Q? Can or not? Can I have some feedback? Clear or not clear? Jelas how you calculate P and Q. So basically concept dia simultaneous saja, substitution. Okay, All right. Next one. Okay, so for y positive, wait, y positive, which one? Which one positive? P or Q? Q will be positive lah, because got no negative symbol there. Okay, so just press calculator only. Okay, A plus B plus O. You mean this one? This one over here, this bracket. How to get that? This one over here. This the concept. Just now I explained. Remember, alpha plus beta square is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. That's the concept. Okay, so I can shift the 2 alpha beta to the left hand side, so you get like this. That's why I changed this one become like this. Okay guys, remember the formula. Okay, all right, so next one. Okay, so now they talk about vertex form guys, bentuk vertex. So guys, if the A value changes to -5, -2 change to -5, what's the answer? Oh, wait, Q is 315. 315. Okay, can okay, so for part B guys, the vertex form, if A value change from -2 to -5, what will happen to the graph guys? May I know? Apa jadi pada graph tu? Anyone got idea? Your A value from -2 go to -5. So you must think and see lah guys, the concept. Okay, so very simple. Okay, over here, you can actually expand your equation. Okay, cuba kembangkan dia. If you expand your equation to general form, you will find your B value. Okay, so you get -2x squared plus 8x minus 4. Am I right? Okay, so the B value is 8, right? 8. So I can actually count and see. I count my axis of symmetry, guys. Okay, saya cuba cari nilai X. Okay, so if you guys count the axis of symmetry, you guys will get X equal to 2 over here. And if you count axis of symmetry kat sini, you will get how much? You should get 8 over 10, 4 over 5. So guys, see the changes. Cuba nampak perubahan dia. X value decrease, right? Nilai X berkurang kan? So guys, always remember, when the X value decrease, right, your graph will actually change like this. Okay, graph dia akan jadi semakin how to say, kurang lebar. Okay, become less wider. Understand guys? Do you see the concept? When X decrease, your graph become narrower. Dia jadi lebih sempit. Understand? Compared to original graph lah. The concept is like how I explained over here. Okay, this one over here. Wait, where is it? This one. Okay, you guys must count the X value. Kamu kena cari nilai X. Okay, because you guys got the B value, right? And you guys got the A value also. So you just count lah. X equal to -B over 2A. This one you guys learn in maths, right? Form 4 mathematics, rumus paksi symmetry. Am I right? Axis of symmetry. So guna rumus tu saja. Okay, just use the formula. Then you guys can get the answer. Okay, so the graph actually become narrower. Okay, lebih sempit. Okay, then if the value of H change to -3 guys. Okay, H is the axis of symmetry, right guys? Nilai H. Remember the vertex form. Ax minus H square plus K. The H over here is your axis of symmetry, guys. Paksi dia. So, if H change, your graph akan berubah macam ni. Okay, your graph will move to the right lah, guys. Dia akan gerak ke kanan. Okay, because from H is -2, change to H is -3. Paksi dia berubah dari 2 kepada 3 lah. Understand guys? Can you see how the graph move? Boleh nampak? So the width is the same guys. Part B2. Kelebaran graph tu sama. Just graph tu dia gerak ke kanan. It move to the right. That is the changes of the H value. Perubahan nilai H. Understand or not? All of you. Can I have some response? Clear or not? This one. Jelas atau tidak? This part. Clear? Can. Okay, next one. So for the for the K, nilai K. So the K value actually influence your maximum point, guys. Remember that. Titik maximum. So if the K value changes from 4 to 2, basically your graph will go down lah. Okay, titik maximum tu akan berkurang. So the graph actually come down to 2. Understand? Can you see that, guys? So this time the graph move downwards. Dia bergerak ke bawah. So H left and right. K up and down. Ingat. Okay, H tu mendata, K tu menegak. Perubahan dia. A kelebaran. The width of the graph. Okay? That's all. Simple, right? That is vertex form lah, guys. Okay. Last question for today. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so for question A. One more question still can tahan, right, guys? All of you. Masih boleh tahan kan? Satu lagi saja, guys. One more only. Then settle already. Okay? Alright. So for question 10A. Okay. Whenever you guys see E, right? Very simple. Okay, first step. You pindahkan 10 to this side. Okay? Okay. E, you guys can actually put ln on both sides. Concept ln is just like log base 10. Like this. So guys, ln E, what is the value, guys? Can you tell me? Apa nilai dia? Yes. Remember, guys, ln is log base E. Remember, ln tu adalah log asas E. Okay? So it's actually log EE. So log EE is 1. 1. Okay, so I can say that 2p minus 4 equal to ln 35 over 10. Terus samakanlah. Okay, 2p minus 4 equal to ln 35 minus 10. Okay, 35 over 10, sorry. Or you can simplify lah, guys. 35 over 10 is 7 over 2. Okay, boleh permudahkan. Then you guys just tekan calculator lah. Okay, press calculator, you can get the answer. P is equal to 2.626. Okay, understand, guys? This one, jelas? Question A, simple, right? Like that only. Okay, all right. And then for part 2, guys. Okay, this kind of question, how you solve? Anyone got idea? Macam mana selesaikan soalan macam ni? You want to get the M value. So how? Think and see. You got 2 set and then you got equal to 2. So how? Macam mana? Think and see, guys. Yeah. Okay. Actually, what you can do is you can shift one of the set to the right hand side, guys. Kamu pindah dia ke kanan. Yes. Then you square both sides. This is the concept. You do it like this. Understand? So, set kuasa 2, hapus. 2m plus 1. And then, quadratic. Set 2m minus 1 plus set kuasa 2 again, hapus. So, plus 2m minus 1. Tapi masih ada set. It's okay. Hapuskan sekali lagi. Okay, you guys need to eliminate it second time. So, kamu pindahkan semua yang ni, all this value you guys pindahkan ke sini, and then you guys square both sides. Sekali kedua. Kuasa dua-dua belah, then no more set. Can you see the concept? So kamu kena buat 2 kali. 2 times. So you guys see over here. You see this the first time, this the second time. Understand? So your final answer, M is equal to 5 over 8. Simple, right? That's all. Rest, everything algebra. So you guys do carefully lah, your algebra. Okay, buat hati-hati. Then you will get the answer. Okay? No problem, guys. This question, all clear? Can? Faham? Okay. Next one. Wait. The question 14, A equal negative 2. Why the graph isn't inverse? Inverse? What do you mean inverse? When the A is less than 0, your graph always is cry, guys. Understand? N shape. Bentuk masam. When A is negative, this is the general shape. Okay? All right. So next one, guys. For part B1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so they tell you log an equal to this whole thing. Okay, look complex, right? Nampak susah, never mind. They ask you to determine the value of n. Cari nilai n. Okay, so how? How to get n? Okay, very simple actually. Again, make sure everything is in the same base. Okay, bagi semua asal sama. So, you guys can see over here for the next part. Okay, you guys notice all of this is log A, right? Semua log asas A kan? So, I change this one to become log asas A juga. Okay, I change it become log base A because originally is log base 24, right? So, I change it to become log base A. Okay, tukar dia asas sama. Can you see that, guys? So, this one is a 1, 1. So, you guys can find the value already. 1 over 1 over log A24. The answer is log A24. Am I right? And then, can you see guys, all the same base, right? Semua asal sama. Minus. Tolak maksudnya bahagi. Am I right? You must divide. So, can you see? Divide. And then, count the value. Cari nilai dia is 64 over 729. And then, kuasa, the power I can bring on top, become power half. So, it's square root lah guys. Kuasa 2. Am I right? And then, you guys notice log A and log A. I can cancel guys. Potong. Left hand side log A, right hand side log A. So cancel. So finally the answer is just 8 over 27. Simple lah guys. Senang tak? That's all. N equal to 8 over 27. Yeah, that's the concept. Okay? It's okay. Oh, someone. Yeah, the username is someone. Correct. Understand? All of you understand this? Can or not? I need some response. Second last question, Adila, guys. Come on. Clear? I really care about you guys. That's why I ask whether you understand or not. Every single question. Not just I simply ask. Because I really want you guys to get maximum benefit one. So next one. Okay, so for part A2, they ask you if A is equal to 23. Find, 2 over 3. Find log an. Okay, so how to find log an? Okay, so very simple guys. Just substitute A equal to 2 over 3 lah. Gantikan saja. Just substitute inside the formula here. Okay, so you guys can see over here. Just substitute. You guys can actually use this answer. Guna jawapan tadi. Okay, because you all know that n is 8 over 27, right? Okay, so log an is actually log A 8 over 27. Setuju? I actually just add log A on both sides, left hand side and also right hand side. I add log A. So the A is 2 over 3, right? So it's log 2 over 3, 8 over 27. So how to do this, guys? Macam mana cari nilai dia? Very simple. If you guys notice, 8 over 27, I can write like this, right, guys? Saya boleh tulis macam ni kan? So, 3 log 2 over 3, 2 over 3. What is the value of this, guys? Apa nilai dia? 1, right? So, that's why the answer is 3 lah. 3 times 1, 3. Simple not, guys? So, that's why I say, guys, and maths, right? You must know how to get the idea one. Kamu kena pandai untuk dapatkan idea. Kamu kena latih minda untuk fikir dapatkan idea. Train your mind to think like this. How to do it? You must do many practice. Kena cuba banyak kali, banyak soalan. Then only you get the experience. Understand, guys? Dapatkan pengalaman, jawab soalan. So that you guys know, bila nampak soalan macam ni, kamu tahu dah macam mana kamu mula soalan. Faham tak? When you see this question, you know how to start because you got experience of doing the question. Am I right? Understand? So the night we habis one set of paper 1 with sir. Always, right, guys, when I discuss paper 1, right, every time can finish on time 1. Setiap kali boleh habis dalam masa yang ditetapkan. You guys see, just now we start at 8:03, right? Macam tu. 8:03 a.m. until, PM until 10:08 p.m. So this is 2 hours lah, guys. 2 jam. Okay? So paper 1 SPM 2 hours also, right guys? Am I right? Kertas 1 admits 2 jam. Today I complete 2 hours lah. So means if I can do it, you can do it also, right guys? Saya boleh buat 2 jam kan? So kamu pun boleh buat. Ini pun saya terangkan guys. Exam you guys need to explain or not? Perlu tak kamu terangkan macam mana selesaikan? Tak perlu kan? You guys just need to write. Kena tulis saja. What else you guys want? Less than 2 hours you guys can finish. Am I right? Tanpa cakap apa-apa, just tulis. I think 1.5 hours or so you can finish lah guys. Am I right? No need 2 hours or so. Correct? Alright. I do both still can less than 2 hours with Bhuvan Steve. Hopefully can lah. Okay guys, understand? Okay. Before that, anyone over here first time join? Siapa kat sini first time join kelas saya? Anyone? Can you comment? Okay. Kai, please get ready ya. Kai, please get ready with the information. For those first time join, if you're interested to join my WhatsApp group, you can actually PM these details. Sorry, you can PM this number. Kai, where are you? Yeah. Please send the details so that anyone new can join. How can consistently remember Form 4 syllabus while study Form 5 admits? You have to do papers like this. You need to do trial paper, guys. Kena buat soalan percubaan. Try to revise your Form 4 topics. At the same time, you study Form 5. Because admits, right, guys, you can easily forget one. Boleh senang lupa Form 4. Especially when you guys study Form 5. So you guys need to keep in touch with Form 4. Understand? Kena masih ingat Form 4. Alright? Kai, still lagging so long. Wow, the message don't want to send. I send the number first to you guys lah. Okay, so for those first time join, you guys can PM my number over here. Okay, if you're interested to join my class lah guys, boleh PM nombor yang ni. Can you guys see the number? 017-966-0510. Make sure PM my number. If you want to join my WhatsApp group lah guys, okay, kamu kena PM. Alright, especially those first time. Okay, so how was the class guys? Do you understand everything about today's class? Semua jelas about what I teach? Yes or no? Is it good? The link already come guys. Okay, so this is my information. Finally come already. Boleh. You can PM in tally also. If for paper example got ke? Example lah. What is the meaning of example? I don't understand. Apa maksud kamu? Hopefully it helped lah the lesson guys for those that joined today. Okay, hopefully it helped you revise your Form 4. You can find in Telegram. Boleh cari kat sana. Ada contoh soalan guys. You just find in Telegram. Ada banyak. They compile according to topic. Do you guys know that? Telegram, certain group for admits, they compile based on topic 1. Like Form 4 Chapter 1, satu file. Form 4 Chapter 2, another file. Like that. So you guys can latih yang tu. So that you guys remember Form 4. Understand? Yes. Correct. Trial for Batch 08 is diawalkan. Because your SPM is in December. SPM December, so trial September lah. August to September. So you guys left 3 months lah. 3 bulan to trial. Yes, correct. If tak ada WhatsApp, group saya memang dalam WhatsApp. Kamu tak ada WhatsApp Wah, people nowadays know WhatsApp Oh my god. Tele group saya tak ada. Hanya WhatsApp saja. Tak apalah. Kalau macam tu susah. Because I know everyone nowadays got WhatsApp lah guys. I don't even have, don't have phone because focus SPM is it? That one sometimes I can understand. Because some parents don't allow to use phone because of SPM. Want to focus. Yes, I understand. Because some people like that one. Understand. It's not where got here before. Don't worry. It's a good thing to train yourself to focus for SPM. Especially when your SPM is diawalkan lah guys. Because your SPM come out so fast, So you need some time lah. And now your school also will be rushing to finish syllabus. Am I right? Semua sekolah akan kejar habis syllabus, or else not enough time for trial, because trial semua bab kena ada. No, during my SPM time I had phone. I use phone one. First exam at maths, don't worry guys, don't worry if your first exam disappointing. The most important thing is the final exam. Am I right? The final exam must be good. Correct? What is the final exam, guys? Final exam is SPM, right? So make sure your SPM grade get A or A plus for your AdMaths. Target for the final. You have to do well in the final exam. That's the most important thing. What happened in the middle is okay, guys. Tak penting. The most important thing is how you end. Okay? My school also tak siap lagi index number. Index number is a choice. You can choose not to do it also. It depends. Okay? Then, what you think? Of course lah. Of course I get A plus lah. That's why I can teach you guys. Am I right? If I don't get A plus, you think I can teach you guys? Guys, you want to learn from a failed teacher or you want to learn from an A plus teacher? Common sense lah, guys. Of course, you want to learn from an A plus teacher, right? You guys can see my news also. Berita saya yang Kai hantar. Yeah. A plus, yeah. Who? Me lah. Saya lah. Okay. Hopefully you guys in the future also lah. Hopefully in the future can see. I wasn't cheering. Oh, it's okay. Never mind. So guys, what's your target for AdMaths SPM? I want to hear from you guys. Like after today's class, what you feel? Let's get all A plus. No, yes. 2 digit higher than that. Aim for A at least, guys. Yes. Make me proud. Okay. Don't worry, guys. C very easy to improve one, guys. C can improve to A very fast one. Trust me. C boleh jadi A very fast. Not difficult one. A lot of people change from C to A in SPM. Banyak orang akan ubah grade. Okay, because they trust that they can do it. Kamu kena percayalah diri sendiri. Lepas buka paper, buat bahagian C dulu ke macam mana? Depend on you. There is no rule one. You start with bahagian A, go to B, go to C, or you start BCA or CBA, still the same amount, what guys? Masih jumlah soalan sama. It's just how you answer only. It's still the same thing. You will answer still all the question. So it depends on yourself lah. Bergantung. Maybe certain topic you very confident, then you do that topic first lah. Then you go to other topic in AdMaths. Sometimes people like to start with an easy topic like index number. So straight away they go section C. Buat index number SOT. Then they come section B, linear law and everything else. And then go section A, paper 2 lah. I don't think I can jump G to A straight away. Okay. Ame, what if I tell you that I actually got see one person got jumped from G to A before? I got see one person got from G in trial, right? A in SPM, AdMaths. Do you believe or not? Last batch 07, got one person. I remember. Okay, G to A. Means it's possible one. Boleh. Yes. My teacher also said to me about one of her. Yeah, there are a lot of people like that, guys. So you must ask them what they do actually. Okay, they actually just keep on doing exercise. Teruskan buat latihan saja. Because trust me, the exercise you do finally will pay off one. The more exercise you do, the better you come. Especially subject like AdMaths. Must do lot of practice one. Okay, so that you guys expose to all the question. So once the XPM asks you a question, right, you will see that it is something similar like you done before. That is what we want. Every single question that you see in SPM must feel like you done before. Of course, the number can change, but the concept still the same. Understand now, guys? They can change the equation, They can change the number, but the concept is the same thing. So that's why you need to do law of question. That's the reason. Not just simply do question, but do question and also understand why the answer like that. You must do question and also understand what you are doing actually. Understand, guys? So this is how you learn AdMaths lah. Okay, AdMaths is not just like how to say you read the textbook and then straight away go for exam. Cannot. You must do a lot of past paper, SPM paper, as much as you can. All the module, everything. Sudah mengantuk. You look at me. Do you look like I'm mengantuk? No, right? Teach 2 hours also still not yet mengantuk lah, guys. Passion. That's why I tell you guys, passion one. This is what you call as passion. So when you learn AdMaths, you must also learn like this. Apply the same attitude. Ini macam kacang bagi sebulan. Of course lah. After finish SPM, of course it's kacang lah. Later you pergi study as a sekarang saya tengah study degree tahun ni. Degree tahun ni. Alright. Occupation belum lagi. Degree tahun ni. Alright. What degree? No. Actuarial science. Have you guys heard? Yeah, correct. Wow, you guess my age so well, huh? Not bad. First time you guys guess my age. Yeah, of course lah. 20 is degree lah, guys. Correct what? 20 is degree lah. Oh my god. Really? News got tulis how old you are. Oh, really? I didn't notice actually. Oh, so they count based on the number of years. Okay, now I get it. Never mind lah. Same thing lah. Wow, you guys actually think I 30? Really? Is that true? I didn't think like that also. For me, honestly, the rest, I must see what majority think. How do you deal with burnouts? Take a break. It's important to take a break. Don't study continuously when you're tired. Take a break, come back. You will feel better. Your cook, I'm charcoal. Don't be like that lah, guys. You make me feel so nervous about you guys. Hopefully what I teach can help lah to a certain extent. Okay, but the responsibility is on your part. You must also have done enough question a day. Then only you can do well in the exam. What is it, major math? Major math? What do you mean? You mean for degree? Major in maths, is it? No. It depends what course. Oh, okay. Yes, thank you for joining also. Usually, right, guys, for maths, right, there is not really a course where you can do maths, but there are certain courses that are related to maths. Example, like engineering. Engineering got maths. Am I right? But it's not just maths. It combined with science, physics, chemistry. It combined. Even actuarial science also combined. It combined with economic. It combined with account. Combined with maths. So there is no course where you just study maths. Tada. All will combine one. But you apply maths. You apply maths in the course. Just an application. Understand? You apply maths and you study maths is two different things, guys. You must understand. Apply and study is two different things. Yes, correct. Offshore ada maths. Yes. Chemical engineering ada maths lah. Chemical engineering, a lot of maths. A lot of people actually taught chemical engineering chemistry, but a lot of people is wrong, you know. Chemical engineering majority is maths. A lot of people have the concept chemical engineering, okay lah, got chemistry. Actually, no, a lot of maths. I got see one video, they say like that. Actually, it's misconcept. Science team in higher education is very hard. Of course lah. That's why got so many jobs. Science team, banyak peluang pekerjaan, guys. Nowadays, a lot. especially with the AI, artificial intelligence. Banyak. Biology field lah. Biology field, doctor lah. That's all I can say. Biology field only got one, doctor. But of course got a lot of branch lah, but the major one is doctor. I'm more focused in pharmaceutical. Oh, okay. Then no need admits lah. No need admits. This kind of field, no need admits already. Basic maths, enough. Chemistry then, yeah. Actually, I'm like, how to say, sad lah, a bit. See, not many people actually got passion in maths. I don't know why lah, but it's a bit sad lah, because as a person who like maths, right, I hope like more people can also enjoy lah doing maths and also add maths, because the maths that you guys see in later on, right, is all add maths one. Do you know that? The concept foundation come from add maths. The maths you guys see after SPM is add maths. No more the maths. I like maths, but I don't think it's from me. I probably keep doing it as a hobby. Can do as hobby lah, but how to say, in terms of occupation, it's quite hard. What occupation you want to do with the maths, unless you have to find a course lah. Who's gonna use quadratic formula in everyday life? God, engineering lah. Engineer, you want to build bridges. Bridges got quadratic what? So how they design that curve is based on quadratic knowledge lah. First time you're learning add maths, is it hard for you? Of course, everyone's first time will be hard. But it's how you overcome how it was and change so that it become better for you. Guess what? Why? What happened? What happened suddenly, Kai? When you ask like this, I get scared already. For me, physics was worse. I never get 100. For what? Oh, then what you get? You get 97. How much? Update lah. Good lah. A plus what? 190 only. Good lah. Congratulations. Very good. Yeah. No. I understand. Certain people, they are like this one. When they make silly mistake, right, they will feel like regret a bit. Do you know? I also was like that one. When make silly mistake, I will regret. Later, Kai, send me your paper. Can post on my status. Good achievement from one of my peoples. Used to B, then wow, very good lah. There you see B to A plus. Hashtag Bhuvan, yeah. That's why my class, guys, you must focus. That's the thing. You wait first, my teacher never give me back. Okay, can. So this is why I say, guys, you guys must do well for your maths and maths. It's not impossible one. Got many cases that can change. But I did careless, of course lah, everyone also do careless. Am I right, guys? All of us are human, what? Human will make careless mistake. Am I right? Okay, good night. Sweet dreams. Wow, so many people stay back. You guys got any question? First time I see got so many people stay back. I got third or fourth highest. What's the highest? What's the highest mark? 95. Wow, not bad. 95 highest. Okay lah, for maths, understandable. Kai print surface, then you add maths 100. I just finished midterm today, so I can sleep late today. Oh, I see. My highest add maths was 98. My highest add maths mark was 98. No, 98. So I still disappointed with myself lah. When I got the marks that time. No, maths never 90. 90 only, I think. Highest, my maths. Always my add maths higher one, guys. 98 for my add maths. I lose 2 marks for paper 1. 2 marks only. 2 markas saja. Paper 2 I full mark. Yeah. That's why I get 98 lah. And that 2 marks, right? Simple mistake only. if I get correct that concept, right, I think it's permutation combination, that question. I timed something wrong. One number wrong only. If that number correct, 100% total. Almost, just 2 marks. Very sakit lah. Sakit. But what to do? Permutation, yeah. That one cannot help it. Usually that chapter is like that one. My jaw dropped, then my grade. That chapter needs some imagination. So if you're not good in imagination, then you're gonna struggle a lot. Hey, wait, I must stop recording. Recording so long already. Oh my god.